everybody. We're going to jump right into the Hip Kit Club. This is the main kit, and I'm going to try and show you each of the sheets. This is from the Horizon collection, and I'm going to tell you now, a lot of these sheets I don't have in front of me. I've actually kind of put stuff away, but I just wanted to go through and kind of show you each of the papers. And the one thing I love about the Hip Kit Club is how they're able to tie in a lot of the colors kit after kit, because there's embellishments and stuff that you can use from previous kits. So if you're a part of the monthly kit, each time you're building up your stash. The papers are pretty and you can use for a lot of different occasions. That one right there is screaming to be colored in like fussy cut. I like this one with the blues and that background. Oh, I love that purple. This stripe, it has that gold and pink combination. Really, really pretty. And this one, oh my god, they look like tiles. Like you just want to cut them out and use them on a layout somehow. It's really pretty. Now the strawberries I wasn't really feeling, but I like the heart design on the back. And then of course the words, and then this really pretty pink, almost looking like a tile as well on the back. So you get those papers, you get the chipboard elements here, which are really nice and they match so well. And I want to say those are with the Horizon collection. This one is also from Pink Paisley. This is the 4 tags, which are really cute. So you get that. And then you also get uh, the collection here of ephemera, which I'm going to try and show it up here. You get a lot of elements in here. I love the Vespa and the bicycle. They're so cute. And then this is a Hip Kit Club exclusive. These are acetate alphas. And we've had it before, the acetate items in, I think it was the November kit, they had the leaves. And now these are the alphas. So you can use them on pattern paper. I think Missy used them on a layout she did this month, and she attached them to white paper so that they kind of stand out, and then attached them as the title. Definitely check that out. And but they look like a lot of fun to use. And then you get this from Chamel. These have awesome glitter in them. I'm staring at them myself and I realize I should be showing the camera. But they have a lot of sparkle. So that right there would be the main kit. And then I also get the color kit because I love to color and mix media and play with stuff. And as soon as I saw that we were getting an exclusively designed stencil by Paige Evans, I knew I had to have it. These are magicals from Lindy. I think it's Lindy Stamp Game. And those mix with like your paste. You can sprinkle them onto the project and just add a water. If I can remember, I will try and link to Missy's video where she actually used them, and they gorgeous, gorgeous. So this next one that I'm going to share with you is the embellishment kit. Now, what I like about the embellishment kit is like you just get a little bit of extra goodies, okay? With a lot of Paige Evans collections, they've started lately doing all these individual flowers, and so we got a package of those. These are embossed elements and they're attached, but you can cut them apart and use them as individual pieces. We have the kind of like the 3D stickers, which are fun to use, and then this sticker sheet here. And I want to say this one was Dear Lizzie. And it's the colors go well, and it's amazing how they can combine different collections and make one big, collection for themselves, and it goes and it makes sense, and everything is really, you know, fun to play with. And then the last one that I got is the Project Life kit. Now, I'm not a Project Lifer. Why I get the kit is because of the additional embellishments. So we have the four corners, like the corner um, labels, I guess. And then there's also this from Horizon. You get these 2x2 paper pads, and one has sentiments, um, different sayings, and stuff like that on it, which I'm going to try and hold up, like hope. Um, I think that one says something about the world. I showed it. It went by quick because I had to speed it up or else we'd be here forever. But then the other one is all like pattern. It's got flowers and different things like that. And I'm telling you, if you're not signed up with the YouTube channel, you have to look at their YouTube channel because you see their team using a lot of the elements, and it's really fun to see how they use it. These are the actual Project Life cards. And what started me looking into this hip kit club was Missy Wooden, and I'm probably saying her name wrong, but I'll just call her Missy like I know her. And just say, if you have a chance to watch her videos, I'm hooked. I watch her videos all the time. I think she's very easy to follow. She has some great ideas, and it's fun to see how she uses stuff. But she'll use a lot of these Project Life cards for layers with her photo, or layers just within whatever composition she's doing. And it's so neat to see how she uses stuff, and uh, I don't know. I don't want to sound like too much like a fangirl, but I am. And I will try and have a link down to her channel down below, because maybe she can inspire you as well. They also have the 4x6 cards, which have a couple of different designs on it. And then I know you saw the one that said April, and they're fun to use. So if you're definitely a Project Lifer, you want to get it because you get these great accessories, the puffy stickers, the sticker sheet from the Horizon collection. So you can, use that as well. And then we also get these alphas, which is probably one of the things I love most. I don't know what it is, but I am standing in front of you all and I'm telling you right now, I have an alpha addiction. And I don't know how or when it started, but it's like I can't have enough stickers. And my name is Tantalea, and the first step is admitting you have a problem. All right, so here's the whole collection. I'm going to have close-ups at the end. And like I said, I will try and make sure to have links to um, Missy's channel, the Hip Kit Club. I know I have their Facebook and the blog. I'll try and make sure to include a link for their YouTube channel. Definitely check them out. I'm not sponsored by them. I'm not a part of their team or anything like that. But I just simply love these kits and I want to share it with you guys. So thanks for stopping by. I will have links to previous videos here, and I hope you have a great day.